Okay. So since this is review, what do we do first on number 1? A hand, please. That's obnoxious. Are they yours? Yeah, thank you. It's obnoxious. Thank you. So what do we do first on this one? So we want to figure out the cubic root. So we're going to do something with the 81. What is it? Yeah, find the factors of 81. So we're going to find our prime factors. What goes into 81? 9 and 9. 3 and 3. So it's the cube root of negative 1, 2, 3, 4 3s. How many n's? 7. And then what are we looking for groups of on this one? 3, because this is a cubic root. This here determines what groups we're looking for. So we're looking for groups of 3. So we have 3 3s. What else do we have 3 of? One group of n's. We have a second one? And so my answer will be 3n squared. Do not forget to put the 3 for the cubic root in your answer. Really easy to forget that. And then what goes on the inside? 3n. I don't know why that went away. Okay, so we want to get our factors there, and this is a square root, right? So we're looking for groups of 2, right? Does that make sense? Because since it's a square root. So I have a pair here, the 9 and 9. So I'm going to stop there because it's going to save me some time. But you don't have to. You can keep going. So this is the same thing as the square root of 2 times 9 times 9. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 m's. And so what pairs do we have? 2 of the 9, 2 of the m's, and another 2 m's. So then, Grace, do you know what goes on the outside? So we have a pair of 9s. So 9 would go, since we have the pair, we can put a 9 there. Does that make sense? You're right. Each one we could take the square root of, but since it's a pair, I hope that makes sense. Okay. And then what about the m's? Good. M squared. And then, you know what's left on the inside? Very good. And then last one. So we're first going to do what to this? We want to write it in a different form. What's that different form? Radical form, that's right. We're used to that radical form. We're not used to that exponential form. So this is a 3 here. 375, v to the 8th, w to the 4th. So we're going to simplify the 375. So it ends in 5. So I know it's divisible by 5. So now I'm using my calculator, dividing it by 5. 375 by 5. And then 5 times 15. And 5 times 3. So this is the same thing as the cube root of 5 times 5 times 5 times 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 V's and 1, 2, 3, 4 W's. So Isan, what are we looking for groups of? 3, that's right, because the cube root. We have 3 5s. What else? What else do we have groups of? We're looking for 3 of them. So 3 what? 3 V's. And then another 3 V's, right? And then we have 3 W's. So then on the outside, we get 5 V, 2 groups. So that's V squared W. Remember to put the 3 there in the radical. And then what's left on the inside is 3V squared W. Go ahead and do the U try. Do this. Good. Really easy to forget it. What goes here? Perfect. Yep, good. You do it? I didn't remember that. Good. For root. Good job. Yes, it is. Nice job. Can I have you do the U try, please, Omar? Do the U try. It is. Bad. That's so cute. Did you draw that?
We made the black Christmas tree.
Oh.
And you like bring back 2016.
My 4th period, they were all stuff with that. So since you're looking for, so this is 8 plus 8, not 8 times 8, sorry. That happens a lot. And then remember to put your root there. It's really easy to forget. So, yeah. Root. Good, good.
Wait, I need to like have the alphabet. Hold on.
Okay, your answer on the last one is here. Don't forget your four in terms of the root. Really easy to forget that.